Ever wonder why your tiny cat acts like a king? Some say they didn't evolve. They were sneezed into existence. Ancient Hebrew legend says that on Noah's Ark, the rats were taking over. Noah prayed for a solution. God told him to rub the lion's nose. The king of the jungle let out a massive sneeze, and out popped a pair of fully grown house cats, ready for battle. They immediately went to work, clearing the ship and earning their keep. So next time your cat sneezes, watch out. You might just get a mini lion.